The VAGKRI outdoor infrared heater is a 1500W electric wall heater designed for efficient and fast heating in both indoor and outdoor spaces. Its versatility makes it suitable for patios, garages, offices, and homes. The heater offers a range of convenient features that enhance comfort and ease of use. Key features: 1. Fast heating. One's heating. The VAGKRI heater uses infrared heating technology, allowing it to warm up in just 1 second after turning on, offering quick relief during cold weather without long waiting times. 2. 1500W power output. With a 1500W power rating, this heater provides sufficient warmth for medium-sized rooms, patios, or other enclosed areas, ensuring comfort during chilly weather. 3. Heat levels. The heater offers 3 adjustable heat levels, allowing you to customize the temperature to your preferences or based on the environment. This gives flexibility for different heating needs. Low for mild warmth. Medium for moderate heat. High for intense warmth when needed. 4. Remote control. The VAGKRI heater comes with a remote control, making it convenient to adjust the settings, heat levels, timer, etc. from a distance without having to get up. This feature is especially useful for indoor or outdoor use. 5. 12-hour timer. The built-in 12-hour timer allows you to set the heater to automatically turn off after a specified period, ensuring energy efficiency and safety. 6. IP65 waterproof rating. With an IP65 waterproof rating, the heater is suitable for outdoor use and can withstand rain and moisture. It is protected against dust and low-pressure water jets, making it perfect for patios, gardens, or even outdoor events. 7. Tripod stand for easy placement. The heater comes with a tripod stand, making it easy to place the unit anywhere you need warmth. This stand also ensures stability, allowing you to position the heater safely on the ground or in other areas without worrying about it tipping over. 8. Wall mountable option. If you prefer a more permanent installation, the heater can be mounted on the wall. This provides flexibility in placement, especially for saving floor space or when heating specific areas. 9. Energy efficient. Infrared heaters like this one heat the objects in the room rather than the air, providing efficient warmth without wasting energy. This also leads to faster heating and less energy consumption over time. 10. Multi-purpose use. The VAGKRI outdoor infrared heater is suitable for homes. Use it to heat living rooms, bedrooms, or other rooms quickly and efficiently. Patios and garages, ideal for outdoor and semi-outdoor spaces where traditional heating may not be effective. Offices, provides consistent warmth for employees or guests in chilly office environments. Specifications. Power, 1500W. Heat settings, 3 levels: low, medium, high. Timer, 12-hour timer. Remote control, yes. Waterproof rating, IP65 dustproof and water resistant. Mounting options, wall mountable and comes with tripod stand. Heating technology, infrared. Size, 77 inches for coverage area. Why it's ideal for you. The VAGKRI outdoor infrared heater is a highly efficient and versatile option for people looking for fast, energy efficient, and safe heating. Its waterproof design makes it ideal for outdoor use, and the remote control and timer offer great convenience. Whether you're using it to heat a patio, garage, or office, its quick heating and adjustable settings ensure you can maintain the perfect temperature without worrying about the weather. The tripod stand and wall mounting options make it easy to place anywhere, further enhancing its versatility.